Hey, so in this video, we're going to be talking about substrings. So right off the bat, I'm just going to show you the syntax for it. So you have some string, either a literal or a variable, and you say dot substring all lowercase. Okay. And you either have one single parameter, which is a number, an integer, int, or you can have one with two ints. The first int you pass in is the start index, and the second int you pass in is the end index. Okay, and you'll see what this means in a second. So every int is comprised of several different characters, right? So let's do hello, right? This would be the index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4. Substring allows you to pick some starting index and go until some ending index and pull out just that substring of it. So if I wanted to pull out ELL, I could say, let me clear this. If I wanted to pull out ELL of hello, I could say hello substring. I could say, actually, let's start with this. I'm going to just pull out LLO. Okay. Remember how I said that the second one was optional? If you only say a start index, such as 0, 1, 2, it will chop everything off before that and give you that index on. So I'm going to print this out. Let's see. And I get lo, right? I have hello, and I did index 2 and on. What if I wanted to get ELLO? Hello, right? I do index 1. All right. What if I just wanted the two L's? That's where the end index comes in. Okay. So if I want if I want just the two L's, that's index 0, 1, 2. So I need index 2 and index 3. So you'd think I'd say go start at index 2 and go until index 3, right? Watch this. Nada. Only gives me the first one. The first number is inclusive. The second one is exclusive. So you have to go one past the number or the index that you want. So if I want LL, I'm going to have to start at index 2, 0, 1, 2. Here, let me draw it. I'm going to have to start at index 2, right? And then I'm going to have to stop at 4. And it stops right before that index. So you have index 2, start at index 2, and go up, but don't include index 4. Wish I had a little more space to draw this. Let's do another example. What if I do Mr. Smucker? Right. What if I just want Smuck? What I can do is I can say index 0, 1, 2, 3, spaces count, 4. So I want to start at 4. So that cuts off this chunk. So I'm starting here. And I'm saying I need this index, this index, this index, this. So this is index 4. I need to go 5, 6, 7, 8. 8's the one I want to include. So I need to stop right before index 9. Remember, this last one is not inclusive. Smuck. Does that make sense? This might seem odd at first, but it will start to make more sense as we get into the other functions, such as index of. Okay, and also using it with length is very useful. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. And we'll talk about that in class. Hopefully that was explanatory. Oh, you can also save it to variables. So you can say like substring, return some string, right? So you can say string x equals Mr. Smucker and print out x. Here we go. Gives me, and in parentheses, semicolon. There we go. Go! Sweet. Okay, this is the end of the video. Goodbye.